to really see where we stand. Teachers post marks all over the place, and I mean really all over the place. And that's why we created OneMark. Well, what did we create OneMark for? It's to let students keep track of their marks with just the swipe of one finger. How does it work? Teachers upload marks through any platform they're comfortable with, be it Google Drive, Academic Workspace, Moodle, or other websites. Markbook is supported by default, so teachers can jump right in. Students then receive all their marks via OneMark. Teachers have an easy time uploading marks, and students have an even easier time receiving them. This is the beauty of OneMark. So we just want to take a look here. He's registered for a new course. It displays the average right in the side there, and you can view a graphical representation of your mark over time. So going back to our PowerPoint, how do we know that this is going to be a success? This is what people have to say about the clarity of their mark. I appreciate the idea. It's great. OneMark is simple, sleek, and effective. OneMark is for you and me. OneMark will make its mark. Thank you.